Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica for Thursday, May 28, 2009. My name is Primrose Barrett. The Observer for Thursday, May 28, 2009 said Dabdoub from the People National Party sent Daryl Vaz from the Jamaica Labour Party one court bill for nearly $50 million. Last year, September, Dabdoub did carry Vaz go court cause him did have people who make him could live in America and Jamaica same time. Although Dabdoub did win a court, Vaz gave him paper them and win back West Portland. Daryl Vaz did lose a court, so Dabdoub charged him $49.1 million. According to the same Observer, Vaz and him lawyer them at the lawyer place with him Livingston Alexander Levy, never paid the Tory no mind, cause them selling money for the bill no make sense. When the Observer called Vaz lawyer office, them said them never yet airborne nobody a look for so much money after them win a court. Daryl Vaz said him have good lawyer, but I go court so him not have to pay Dabdoub so much money. When the Observer talked to Daryl Vaz yesterday, May 27, 2009, him say Dabdoub just use the court business for make money. Through the politics business now go on so good for him. It happens say I know even 1 month passed since Dabdoub did carry one government minister when named Michael Stern a court cause him couldn't pay back the money where him owe him. According to the Gleaner for May 28, 2009, Dabdoub said the court business no have none to do with the West Portland election. Michael Stern did get him court bill and never pay. Same time, Dabdoub lawyer them tell the Observer say a court business and nobody never have to know about it. Them say Vaz lawyer them just want everybody to know about it, so the court will change the amount of money when to pay. On top of that, Dabdoub's son, where they defend him in court, said according to the law, had the right amount of money on the bill. But the $50 million court bill tour not top yourself, cause the court still left to say, if I that them money they Vaz I go really pay. This is Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, my name is Primrose Barrett. Walk good.